has the mooring as well. Okay.
The eternal wait.
It was a favor.
I'm waiting for the point where he just brings out a knife and cuts the rope. He says, "That's it! I had enough!" He's probably like, "Oh, my fingers are cold, I can't use them anymore." Use your toes! Use your teeth!
You know what would have been a nice idea?
Huh?
For them to bring a rope, to hook a rope to that thing.
Oh yeah.
Bring it over. You know, we would have all like helped them.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. We could just like take a rope, pull it through one of these little rings here, and then
Hey, now you know how we feel when you gave us attitude.
there we go. Oh, my fingers are freezing.
That is challenging.
You getting a movie of this?